What is up, everyone? So, a question that I often see on LinkedIn is how do you actually tag someone on a LinkedIn post or tag a company on a LinkedIn post? So, the answer is going to be pretty simple. The very first thing you have to do is to head over to the LinkedIn icon at the top left if you have already logged into your account, and by clicking the in icon over here, it would take you over to your home page. You would want to come over to the top of your page and click on Start a Post. When you click on it, a new box would appear, and here you would type in your status update. For example, you would like to congratulate someone. So here you would write congratulations. So before you actually type in the person's name, you have to click the add button over here, and all the list of people that you have on your LinkedIn will actually appear. In this case, I want to type in someone called Justin Welsh. I will type in Justin Welsh. And you can see over here, his name appears. And the moment I click on it, it will be bolded over here, which actually shows that when the post goes live, he will immediately receive a notification on it. Furthermore, what you can do is that you can add in the company name as well. So for example, in this case, congratulations to Justin Welsh for securing a new position at, and his company name would be The Saturday Solopreneur, which appears right over here. So before clicking it, you can actually verify that this is a company over here and the name matches the company that you know. And I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, it gets bolded again. So now when you actually hit on the post button at the bottom right hand corner, Justin Welch is going to receive a notification, as well as the company The Saturday Solopreneur. I hope this helps, and let me know in the comments what you think and what other videos you want to see on LinkedIn in the future. Click the like button below and the subscribe button below to get more notifications and to support this channel.